Alright guys, so it's the second part and I decided to change something up. We're gonna take the back fender back off and tape it off, like all the black on it off. And then we're gonna paint the white writing on it green and try doing that with the hold on. So we're gonna try taping this and making that green and making right here green. But we have to take this and those fucking bolts off again. Alright, let's get to the video, guys. This bike is really pissing me off just thinking about that part. Fuck, that was so annoying. And off we go again. Alright, so I have the two parts right here taped up that I need to spray paint. So we're gonna spray paint them now and see where we wanna go with that after that. Oh fuck, this shit is so runny, damn. Go find it again? Let's just hope that shit doesn't drip onto the, what's it called? Plastic pieces. This one is fine because we're actually gonna make the tips of this one green. out, please. Okay. And that looks good. Well, now it looks good. Hopefully once I take this shit off, it continues to look good. And if not, we're kind of fucked. And might have to go get more paint and just spray paint the whole thing green. Oh well. Alright, as those dry, we're just gonna put the tire on because it's just this and this. Then we'll weld this and then, oh shit. The tire, you need these two things. This, and of course the tire that's there. Then we'll weld this, and then we'll put these in, and these for the fenders, and then this stuff right here is all for the chain guard. So let's get going for the tire. Actually, I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna do this by myself. Fuck. Oh shit. Oops. You know, a good idea might be to open this in and put it in. Or just put it down that way. Stop moving, piece of shit. Stay. Fuck you. All the way on the side. Fucking finally. Fuck, bro. Well, okay. Where's this piece? Fuck. Don't start pissing me off now, please. Please. I was having fun, you fucker. That's good. Ooh, I almost fell over. This and this. No idea what the fuck this is for, but hey, we're gonna use it. Oh, let's fit on this one. So what the fuck is this for if it's not even helpful, bro? There's no way. We'll be right back. We're back. Alright guys, we're back. Just go on. Now let's see if the wheel still spins, bro. Yep, we're all good. Whoa, why did it go back? Stop! Fuck is moving. Only if there was like brake lock or some shit. Alright, now I just need to flip the bike and put the chain guard back with the bolts. And I'll show you what I mean by that. But then just weld it, wait for the things to dry, and we're done. So I have to put the bolts in for this. And actually, I might only be able to do 1, 2. Might have to wait for the fender to put this one in. But it is what it is. Fucking rope holding this shit. Alright, now that the bolts are like just finger tight, there's a change of plans. As you can see, you can't really tell where those bolts are except for the one right there, and then there's gonna be one like right around there. But there is the 2 I painted down there. I don't know if you could see them that well, but they're there. And I am just gonna say fuck it, take this off and paint it green, and then probably just paint these ones black again, and then we'll just leave it on that. Might say fuck it, take the exhaust out right here and paint that green too, but might not at the same time. I don't know, but for sure taking this out and then gonna paint it green and paint the bolts black instead of green. But we're gonna need a better paint station cause the spray paint, it eats through styrofoam, and surprisingly I did not know that, and I figured it out when I was spray painting, so yay. But I'm pretty sure the end of today's video is just gonna be where we're painting that green, and then the bolt, and then we'll put the fender, do the fender reveal I guess, and do the backpack rack, whatever you want to call it, weld that on next video, and put the fenders on next video too. So Alright, so while I was looking at it with the like green bolts just finger tied it in there, I decided, yeah, I'm just gonna paint those back to black, and then I'm gonna paint that whole chain guard green, and I have it taken off right here. And I'm also just gonna do the fender, the chain guard install, and putting that backpack leg rack on next part. But this part we're just gonna be painting all of it. And then, oh yeah, we're also gonna be putting a light on in this part after painting them. So here you guys go. So this is the light we're gonna be putting on. We're gonna be painting the like mounts for it green, and then we have these both taken apart, and we're just gonna put this back on when it's done painted or dried. Well, fuck. Well, I like. So I just went a completely different route with painting the plastic pieces, and this is what it looks like. See, just like that. And now it's time to put them back and spray paint the frame a little bit, and then put like what it needs in and see how good it is, and then give it to my homie. Okay, let's hope I could actually put the shit on the right way. Yes, it is this way. Come on. What the fuck? Okay, there's that one. Okay, don't start pissing me off already, bro. Just fucking go in. Last one. Oh, fucking course. No, that's fucking. Why isn't it going in? Fuck. Okay, finally, girl. Now it's time for the front one. Now which fucking way does this shit actually go on? Yeah, that looks good to me. Oh, fuck. What the fuck? And of course, I dropped it. Ooh. What the fuck? This shit actually is just not going in. And the fucking bike just keeps falling over. Fuck. Just go in. Go in. Fucking finally, bro. Where's the other? Is it only gonna be this side that's like easy to put in? No, I'm just kidding. Stupid ass fly. See, guys, not gonna lie, that shit does look hella fucking nice. Hold on, let me get over here. But like, damn. Now we just need to put those on. The light, what's it called? Like mounts, and then put the light on. And then do some more painting, and we'll get this stuff, come back, and we'll see how it rides. Give it to my homie after that. Finished project. Now it's just time to put gas and oil, all that stuff in her, and then take her on a test drive. Well, like, yeah, this, that, and those have to dry, but that's what she looks like. Got the light mounted, everything. And the light's pretty cool, not gonna lie. Just press the button. So later tonight, we'll test it out. So it's at nighttime now, and we just got done testing it. It's really fucking cold, but it does really good, except for in soft sand. And we're just gonna give it to my homie and all that, and then we'll do the second part at his house, or the third part at his house while we're welding it and everything. And thank you for watching Stoner Magic. We'll see you in the third part.